Hey guys, here's another dock remodeling job we just finished up. We started on that 2.5 days ago. Got all put back together. Pressure treated lumber decking, pressure treated lumber framing, the rough cut treated timbers for the cross ties because it's so low to the water. It's actually salt treated. Galvanized hardware, stainless steel, screws. Here's our next Hurricane Sally repair job. Dock's been here for quite some time. Customer told me he had just finished painting the decking and getting everything back in order when the hurricane came through and blew it all out. So we're going to go ahead and put some new poles in, some new framing, and some new decking in, make this thing survive a lot longer. They completed the neighbor's project next door, and now we're moving right next door to this other one over here. Go ahead and get it put back in place. It's another Sally damage. You can see the boards are all gone. We've already went ahead and tore off everything that was there existing, got it loaded up on the barge, ready to head over to the reclamation center. Once we get that unloaded, we're going to go ahead and load up all the new material, get back over here, start reinstalling and installing some new pilings. Made it up to the boat ramp on this project. We're loading up the new pilings. We've already got all the material that we removed from the job site unloaded and banded up on the ground. We'll get the trailer unloaded on the barge, and then we'll reload all the lumber that had been removed and haul it off. Load of lumber headed to Kelly's Reclaim Center. Who wants it? Got another lunch supplied by the customer. Steak, tacos, and what do you got down there, Gabe? Quesadilla or something?
Quesadilla. I'm not exactly sure.
Man, that's good. Good stuff. Man, we appreciate that very much. All right, we've started our framing over here. Got the 2x8 stringers going on right now. Stainless steel hardware screws. Guy and cutting stuff up. Hopefully make a good dent in this project today.
Also,
guys are checking the cup, the board. Also, if it's got a wane, trying to put the pretty side up on the board. Make sure it looks good. The cup is installed correctly. If the cup is installed correctly, but we got a wane on that side of the board, we still flip over to put the best looking side of the timber up. A lot of people don't know what a wane is. The wane is the actual outside of the tree where it's a little bit of a rounded edge. I'll see if I can't find one to get a picture of it. We always buy number one lumber, so most of the lumber here is pretty good. It's hard to find a wane board right now. There you go. There's some right there. You actually see the bark on the side of the board. That's what they call the wane. Good production over here today. We just set 9 20-foot pilings in 45 minutes. That equates to about 5 minutes a pole. Vibrating them down. Not bad at all. Guys are getting real good at lining them up and driving them down. Now we got the laser level out. We're going to shoot some elevations. You go ahead and start getting this side framed up. Decking's coming along real good on the other side over there. Got me another road dog today. Got Scout out here, checking out the dock next door. Chief up on the beach. Hey Scout, what are you doing? You like that? They're brothers, same litter. Good progress over here today. You got the platform done, walk around the boathouse done. Got the main pier framed up, hurricane blocked in, scab blocked in, all the bolts installed through the stringers and the cross ties. Now we're making the access ramp down to the property here. We're going to try to make it a nice level ramp so he can carry a cart out there, easy access to the dock, carrying stuff. Got the chop saw set up over here, getting ready to start cutting the rest of that decking up with 5-footers. Get that all installed. Then we'll be moving on to our next project over here. It's a lower step down platform. It's I think it's a scuttle boat launch. We'll be able to access the boat easy, get in and out of the water. Back over at the boat ramp again. Got a full trailer load. Shingles for a job, boat lift for a job, pilings for another job, and plywood for another job. So we're gonna get this loaded up. Hunter's gonna make 3 different stops up the bayou, dropping material off. Save us a lot of work from walking back and forth up and down the big hillside over here on the bayou. Getting near the end of this project. Got the deck done, this side catwalk done. We're working on trying to get these stairs matched up with the dock. We elevated the dock by a foot, so now we got to trim off the bottom of these stairs to line up with the elevation change. And try not to have an odd step at the bottom, which is hard because the steps are on 7.5 inches, looks like 7.5 to 8, and we actually raised up a foot, so we're going to have a short step somewhere.
Stay right there. Let that level up.
Just run them all into.
Then we'll draw a line. So at the furthest point, this furthest point is what?
Well,
60.
well, these are going to be angled here. Right? So we're going to get our nearest angle, square angle. See where it runs into, more or less. And then these are going to have to be cut individually
Right.
to fit up in here. So they'll have different levels.
No doubt about it, that is definitely bird poop on there. Hunter, don't put your fingers in your mouth.
No.
No? Hunter's gonna be the one that everybody always asks about on YouTube. What's Hunter doing? What's Hunter doing today? There's nails, looks like it's sticking on the bottom. Y'all be careful. That's a cedar bench that the customer had made, so he had special request that we put it back out there on the dock for him. So we're gonna get that thing secured back down. Watch your head, Gabe. Hey guys, we got several of these hurricane repairs and also just old docks that didn't hold up too well after Hurricane Sally. So I'll keep posting those. I got a little lower platform we're fixing to do next, and we're going to be doing that on through flow decking. So as soon as we get that completed, I'll get that posted for you also. Next door to this other one over here. Tore off everything that was there existing, got it loaded up on the barge. Once we get that unloaded, we're going to load up all the new material, get back lunch supplied by the customer. Steak tacos, and what do you got down there, Gabe? Quesadilla. We appreciate that very much.
Yeah, sure.
That is definitely bird poop on there. Hunter, don't put your fingers in your mouth. Hunter's gonna be the one that everybody always asks about on YouTube. What's Hunter doing? What's Hunter doing today? Customer had made, so he had a special request that we put it back out. Thanks a lot for checking out this video. I appreciate it, and if you would please subscribe to the channel, like and share. If you like it, if you got any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment box. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Either way, I'll try to get back with you. Thanks.